Welcome, and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. The pace of change continues to accelerate all across the global payments landscape. Changing consumer behavior, real-time payments, open banking, evolving government regulations and compliance standards, rampant fraud, cybersecurity threats, and innovative new technologies are only a few of the many urgent priorities demanding immediate attention from virtually every business involved with accepting or processing retail payments. Unfortunately, responding to these new challenges significantly strains organizations already struggling to keep their payment systems safe, reliable, and profitable in the face of ever-increasing costs. Adding to the complexity of this problem is the very fluid macroeconomic environment, which seems to be constantly on the edge of a full meltdown. All this means that every payment-related business is under constant pressure to improve productivity and cut costs, while continuing to deliver shareholder value. And while every enterprise has its unique strategy, structure, and systems, a common thread across the payment industry is the need for relentless testing. In the highly regulated world of financial services, an effective testing strategy can make all the difference in the world, not only by helping to ensure the timely delivery of high-quality products and services to the marketplace, but also by maximizing operational efficiency and reducing costs. As we noted in a previous Paragon Edge blog, determining the value of automated testing in payments, quantifying the precise return on investment, ROI, associated with testing tools and strategies can be challenging. However, an effective testing strategy that fully exploits the capabilities of a modern testing platform will boost efficiency, reduce costs, and foster innovation. In a recent Insights essay, Gartner Chief of Research, Alexander R. Bant, highlights three key pillars for companies to consider as part of an effective cost optimization effort: cut, reduce spend, optimize performance, and create value. Gartner's recommendation to cut costs and reduce spending is directly aligned with the benefits of an effective testing strategy. One of the key ways organizations can achieve meaningful savings is by reducing resource costs. Although the upfront investment in a modern testing solution may seem significant, the long-term gains in efficiency and productivity far outweigh the initial expense. Automated testing can perform repetitive and time-consuming tasks much faster and more accurately than manual processes, allowing organizations to reallocate their human resources to more strategic, high-value projects that drive innovation and growth. Another important benefit lies in improved data management. Manual testing is often bogged down by a tangled web of applications, legacy systems, and inconsistent or even paper-based data sources. This fragmented approach introduces errors and inefficiencies that hinder progress. In contrast, modern testing platforms centralize and streamline test data management, supporting functional, regression, and performance testing from a single interface. This consolidation not only boosts accuracy and collaboration, but also reduces the administrative burden associated with managing multiple disconnected tools and workflows. An effective testing strategy helps optimize infrastructure costs. Financial institutions and other large organizations often carry the weight of complex legacy systems and mounting technical debt, which can be costly to maintain. By adopting modern testing solutions with flexible deployment options, including scalable, cloud-based environments, companies can minimize or eliminate the need for large upfront investments in physical infrastructure. This flexibility allows IT teams to scale resources based on actual needs, resulting in more efficient and cost-effective infrastructure spending. Gartner's second pillar, optimize performance, emphasizes the importance of improving efficiency and increasing productivity, areas where the advantages of modern testing solutions become especially clear. One of the most immediate benefits is the acceleration of test execution. Automated testing can complete in minutes what might take hours or even days using manual methods. This dramatic increase in speed leads directly to faster software release cycles and shorter project timelines, enabling organizations to launch innovative payment products and services more quickly. In a competitive landscape where time to market can be a decisive factor, this capability provides a significant edge over companies still reliant on manual testing processes. Modern testing solutions also deliver increased test coverage and accuracy. Automation allows for a broader and deeper range of test scenarios to be executed consistently and precisely, far beyond what is feasible with manual testing alone. This expanded coverage improves software quality and reduces the risk of defects slipping into production, where they can lead to costly errors and damage to customer trust. By catching issues earlier and more reliably, organizations can ensure a smoother, more professional end-user experience. These tools contribute to improved resource productivity. By automating routine testing tasks, facilitating better communication, and encouraging greater collaboration across teams, modern testing platforms free up skilled testers to focus on higher value activities. These might include exploratory testing, advanced debugging, and strategic quality assurance initiatives that directly support business goals. The result is a more efficient, empowered testing team contributing greater value across the development lifecycle. Gartner's third and final pillar, create value, highlights the importance of strategic planning, organizational alignment, and effective execution. In the payments industry, modern testing solutions play a crucial role in supporting these objectives. One of the most impactful benefits is the ability to detect defects early in the development lifecycle. By integrating testing more deeply within the broader enterprise, organizations can uncover and resolve issues before they escalate. Fixing problems at earlier stages is significantly more cost-effective than addressing them later in development or, worse, after deployment. This proactive approach enhances agility and contributes directly to improved shareholder value. Modern testing platforms also support enhanced compliance and reduced risk, critical factors in the highly regulated payments landscape. These solutions streamline the process of meeting evolving network mandates and regulatory requirements, ensuring that organizations stay current without sacrificing speed or accuracy. Timely compliance not only helps avoid financial penalties, but also protects against reputational harm, which can have long-lasting consequences for trust and customer retention. Perhaps most importantly, effective testing strategies create the conditions for innovation and improved customer satisfaction. By automating repetitive tasks and reinforcing system reliability, modern tools free up valuable time and resources. This enables development and testing teams to focus more on building forward-looking solutions, products and services that differentiate the organization, drive growth, and deliver exceptional value to customers in an increasingly competitive market. As we highlighted in our blog, Understanding Test Automation ROI in the Payments Ecosystem, organizational differences and complexities make it difficult to establish a generic ROI calculation for investments in testing tools and processes. However, the benefits provided by modern testing solutions are precisely aligned with Gartner's principles of cost optimization. By embracing automation as a core component of a well-conceived and executed testing strategy, payment industry organizations can optimize performance by increasing efficiency, cut costs by maximizing resource and infrastructure utilization, and create value by improving quality, accelerating innovation, and providing superior customer service. The real question here is not so much about the cost of implementing a modern testing solution. It's more about the cost of not making the investment in an increasingly competitive and regulated environment. Investing in the right payment testing tools is an investment in the future efficiency, agility, and profitability of your organization. Ready to explore how Paragon's testing solutions can help your organization achieve its cost optimization targets? Thank you for listening to our audio blog.